Okay, so it's been a very productive and very busy year this year at Project Heaven. I'm going to run through some quick numbers with you. So we've worked on over 100 different cars in the workshop, including Aston Martins, Bentleys, E-Types, Lagondas, Maseratis, Porsches, Mercedes, Ferraris, TVRs, a Talbot, LaFrance, MGs, Fords, an Allard and a Bentley. We've also completed 2 complete EV conversions. We've also completed 8 engine builds, 6 gearbox builds, 4 full restorations have been completed, 34 paint jobs, and we have also purchased a new company within the company called Shawlock Casting Repairs, so we now offer cold cast stitching repairs as well on site. We've been to 15 race meetings, 8 shows, and I've taken on 4 new members of staff, taking us to a total of 18 people working here now. So from all of us at Project Heaven, have a fantastic Christmas.
Mm-hmm.